We are at 444 Smith Street, Seattle, Washington, 98109. I am about 62 feet in and have discovered a massive root intrusion, which was more than likely the cause of this customer's backup. We were able to restore flow, but camera is not able to make it past this massive root. So I will start pullback from here. It seems like there are many areas that are compromised due to root intrusion. We were at least able to restore flow to the system, but that massive root ball is definitely the cause of the backup. I'm going to stop the video right here and run some water to make sure we are flowing, but I did want to show that root intrusion.